Hey guys, welcome back. It is finally a really good week at both Target and at Walmart. There's a lot of stuff to talk about, so I'm going to go through the deals quickly, but I'm going to share some important information with you about each of the stores and some of the deals that you might want to know. Let's start with Target first. Lots of clearance at both stores. So let me go ahead and address both of them. Target, tons of clearance. I noticed lots of clothes, as well as on like the crafty aisle where they have their paints and their markers and their pens. A lot of that stuff is marked on clearance. I picked up one thing. It was this like paper table decor. I thought that was super cute. It was 70% off, so I paid 90 cents for this, but there was quite a few things for like party decor and crafty stuff, 70% off. And I'll include pictures at the end of the video. I'll do Target and Walmart clearance pictures. Now, Walmart, so many things on clearance. The food clearance was ridiculous, and so I'll talk about some of that. I'll include pictures at the end. Clothing clearance also. I found items for $1, $2, $3. So if you're a Walmart shopper or you want to snag some deals, definitely stop into your store and see if you can find it. Also on the cleaning aisle. So it was really shoes and clothing, some food, as well as the cleaning aisle had a few things. The actual clearance aisle at my store was mostly toys, and I don't know, I'm out of that toy phase, so nothing really caught my eye. But I'll include pictures at the end of the video. Now, let's talk about Target deals first, because there were some really good ones. Now, these Smucker's Uncrustables, these are $5.29 regular price. Check your Target Circle or your Target app under Target Circle offers. I had a 25% digital as well as a $2 digital coupon. So the 25% is a Target store coupon. The $2 is a manufacturer coupon, so you can use both of them. And if they're both clipped, they'll both come off at the register, leaving you to pay just $1.97. No idea if these are any good. I literally bought them so I could show you guys about the deal. Now, the Lunchables, if your kiddo or you are into Lunchables, they're $1.99, but there was a 15% Target Circle offer, making them just $1.69 this week. And that would apply to every single one you purchase, that 15% off Target Circle. Now, the Ocean Spray. So this one right here, $3.99. There was a 40% off digital coupon, leaving me to pay $2.39. But check your Ibotta app, because I had a 50-cent rebate, dropping my final cost down to $1.89. But I know some people have a higher rebate, so definitely check out that deal if you're into juice. Now, an easy freebie if you have this offer for Target. I had it actually for Target, and then I had a separate offer for Walmart on this product. These are $7.99, found in the refrigerated section near, I say refrigerated section, like near the produce. It's kind of like on the end of the produce section. Paid $7.99, got $7.99 back, making it completely free. Now, this one was just a straight deal that I did. It is $8.49, but I love the Dawn Power Wash. There was a $3.50 digital coupon, making my final cost $4.99 for the spray and like the refill to go with it. Not a bad price. Now, these are part of the Spend 50, get a $15 gift card. I did not include this in my Spend 50 deal, but I'll tell you how I did that Spend 50 right now. So the promotion is Spend 50, get a $15 gift card. You have to actually clip that coupon in your Target app. Now, I picked up the Gain detergent at $12.99. I picked up the Gain fireworks at $9.99. And the Gain, this is the 240 count dryer sheets at $9.99. I also snagged 2 of these OxyClean, the laundry and home sanitizers. Those were priced at $9.39 each. Now, I had a 50-cent digital for each of the Gain products. So I paid $50.25 at the register. That is more than I normally pay, but I wanted to show you how this deal works because we're combining multiple things. We're combining the Spend 50, Get 15 we're gonna use a spend 30, get 10 for the Gain products, and then a swag bucks offer. So I paid $50.25. I immediately got the $15 Target gift card for spending $50. I submitted my receipt to Swag Bucks for the OxyClean and I got $10 back there. Then, as part of the PG Good Everyday Rewards program, I submitted the Spend 30, Get 10 Gain rebate, and that said it could take 8 to 10 weeks to come in, but that's $10 back there as well, leaving my final cost for all 5 of those products $15.25. So it was $50.25, dropped it down to $15.25. Now, couple of things. If you're not using Swag Bucks, I'll drop the link down below. You'll get an additional $3 when you scan that receipt. You can cash out to gift cards, including PayPal. If you're not part of the PG Good Everyday program, it's completely free. I'll drop a link down below. When you sign up for free, you're gonna see rebates on the app. You click on it, and then you can submit your rebate for the Gain there. Now, if you have questions on that, let me know down below. I did screw this up, so if you're like, I can never get deals right. For the Gain rebate, you have to purchase a detergent. Well, I thought I had picked up a detergent, but the first time I tried it, I picked up like one of those huge things of softener, fabric softener. It looked like the laundry thing. It's totally fabric softener, so I 100% screwed up and I had to do the deal again. But if you're wondering, can you do that spend 50, get 15 multiple times? You can, because I did it twice, because the first time I totally screwed up. So it happens. I could completely return those products if I want. I decided to just go ahead and keep them. But if you ever screw up and you want to return things, just return them. If you did a deal like spend 50, get 15, it's best to just return everything because they will take that $15 gift card back out of whatever they refund to you. Now, this is a much easier deal. These are just 99 cents at Target. You get back 20 cents on Ibotta, making it 79 cents for a box of mac and cheese. And then the Poise. This was the last deal I did at Target. These are $5.69. There's a $1.50 digital. I had 2 different rebates. One on Ibotta for $2 back, one on Fetch Rewards for $2 back, bringing my cost down to 19 cents total for the Poise. Now, I think that was everything I wanted to tell you on Target. Now, I can't tell you the meals that I'm cooking for this week, and there's a reason why, and I'll share that with you very, very soon, I promise. But I'll tell you the last 2 nights. Last night I did a stir fry, super fast, easy meal using frozen veggies I had and some shrimp. And then the night before, my son had a choir concert, so it was another quick dinner. We just did veggie quesadillas and rice. I think I used one of these like minute rice to make it super fast. Okay, everything for Target. Let's move on to Walmart. Now, y'all, check this out. When I say food clearance was amazing. These Tyson frozen chicken breasts, normally like 16 bucks, $5. $5. And there's like, I don't know how many are in here. A bunch of chicken breast. What does it say? 12 servings for 4 ounces. Great deal, regardless, great deal. I also found this cheese here, this frozen, it was 79 cents, and my son tried them last night. I bought 2 bags. He tried them last night, and he liked them. Of course, because if I had bought 5 bags, he wouldn't have liked them. But because I only bought 2, of course he's gonna like them. And then I forgot to pull out the other bag. There was a Sargento white cheddar that was $1.11. I'll put the picture at the end of the video. Normally like $4.44 down to $1.11. So super good deal. I also picked up the Gatorade Fit. This is $1.38, getting back 64 cents on Ibotta, making it just 74 cents. I did end up hitting my $3 midweek bonus on Ibotta, so I got an additional $3 for that. The minute rice, I love these because it just makes dinner so fast. These are $1.90, the jasmine and quinoa, as well as it was one other kind, I think it was the jalapeno. There's a $1 offer on Ibotta, but these are only $1.90. So you get $1 back, making it just 90 cents. Now, obviously, it's still more expensive than if you bought just a bag of rice, but the convenience to me is worth it. Now, other food. I've mentioned this the last few times and I put it back on my table because the oatmeal deal. If you have not done this deal yet, I have linked below a rebate for a free one. So if you pay $5.48, you're gonna get $5.48 back. There's also an Ibotta offer now for $1 back, so that makes it $1 moneymaker. But check your Shopkick because there was still a Shopkick offer on these last time I checked, making it an even bigger moneymaker. What I also wanted to tell you about this, the link that I've included down below, every time someone uses that link, I get a like a $5 rebate. So if I buy another one at $5.48, they'll, refund me $5. So what I'm doing is each time I go to Walmart, I'm picking up one of these and I'm going to donate them to our local food bank. So I'm excited to be able to do that. Now, other deals. Like I said, there were cleaning clearance items. I found this guy at 99 cents on clearance and I just double checked all the rebate apps. There was a 50-cent rebate on coupons.com, making it just 49 cents for this. This one I mentioned last week, but if you haven't done it, the Essential Mist Starter Kit's $11.98. There's a $6 coupon on coupons.com, so I got $6 back there, as well as $6 on Ibotta, making it completely free. If you're looking for another easy Ibotta offer, these little Febrezes from the travel section, they're $1.97 each, but it's attaching for the $3.30 Ibotta rebate, which makes them 64 cents for both, or just 32 cents each. And then these Digestive Advantage Daily Probiotics. The only one I could find were the apple cider vinegar. They're priced at $12.98. Now, there's a $3 rebate on Ibotta, a $5 rebate on coupons.com, as well as $4.80 back on Shopkick, making the final cost 18 cents. Now, if you're not using Shopkick, get it. It's awesome. It's free. Use the code SWC5. You'll score an additional $5 when you scan that first receipt. But here's another deal you can do. So on Shopkick, there's an offer for the Dove spray, both women and men. My store only had the women's in stock, so these are $2.47, but Shopkick was giving me $2.80 back, making it free and a 33-cent moneymaker. And I'm putting together bags for a homeless shelter, and on their website they have like certain things that they want, and it's all travel-sized items. So I'm going to be putting together some bags for that as well. Well, that was timely. So if you're curious, one of the things that I told myself early on is if I grow my YouTube channel to where it has a substantial following, I want to make a difference. I want to be giving back. I want to be doing something to help people other than just sharing savings information. So things like giving back to the homeless shelter, giving back to the food bank, those things are important to me, and I want to continue to do that, but also continue to do it on a larger and larger scale each year. Now, if y'all have any questions about any of this, don't hesitate to drop comments down in the comment section below. I hope y'all are having an amazing week. I am finally working on another $5 dinners video that I'm hoping will be posted next week to YouTube, but don't quote me on that. I will get it out just as soon as I can. Thanks.